Today we're going to go over a real quick tutorial on how we can manage users in WordPress. WordPress is really powerful because it allows you to have administrative users, users on the front end of your website, things like that. In this case, we're going to show you from the back end how to create a new administrator. So again, starting at our dashboard here, we'll go over here on our sidebar, just click on the users overview. We'll go up here to the top and click add user. Now, when we create our user, we're able to give them a lot of different accesses to different parts of the website. So let's just go through here. We're just going to call this test user 1, and we'll just create a fake email, test user 1 at Gmail. And we'll just use my name, Steve Mingleco, even though that might already be used. Now here we're going to go where we actually create our password. In this case, we're just going to let WordPress decide for what we want, but we could put something else in here. Actually, let's just change it quick. Let's just put test password. Okay, and now here's the role is the most important part, because depending on what this user is going to do, if they're going to be another administrator like you, you're going to want to go down here to admin so that they have that administrative access. So I'm just going to copy this password. Got to remember that my user is test user 2. Oh, it's saying this is very weak, so we need to confirm the use before we're able to add the user. So now that we've created our user, why don't we log out? I'm just going to quickly carry this and the test password just so I remember. So let's log out, and what we'll do here is we'll go into our administrator and we'll use test user 1, I believe, and test password, and we'll see that it lets us log in. So basically what we've done there is we've created a new administrative user that is now able to log in and have access. If we go now back to our user list, you'll see that here's our test user. And I'm actually logged in as him right now as administrator. So guys, that's creating users, especially administrative users in WordPress. You're going to come across it a lot. If you have any questions, let us know. Give a like, give a subscribe, and stay tuned for more WordPress tutorials. Thank you.